Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on aging. Get ready to discover how a simple dietary change could hold the key to slowing down the clock. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the power of omega-3 fatty acids. For years, researchers have been exploring ways to promote healthy aging, and recent studies have shed light on the incredible potential of omega-3s in this domain. These essential fatty acids, found abundantly in certain foods, have long been hailed for their heart-healthy benefits. Now, emerging evidence suggests they might also play a role in extending our lifespan. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of omega-3s and their remarkable ability to combat aging. This is not just about adding years to our lives, but about adding life to our years. Join me as we explore the science behind this exciting discovery and learn how to incorporate these age-defying nutrients into our daily routines. It's time to unlock the fountain of youth, one omega-3 rich meal at a time. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This means we need to obtain them through our diet or supplementation. There are three main types of omega-3s: ALA, DHA, and EPA. ALA is found in plant-based sources, while DHA and EPA are primarily found in fatty fish. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. They are integral components of cell membranes and possess anti-inflammatory properties, supporting heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Incorporating omega-3s into our diet is essential for optimal health. The groundbreaking DO Health study, a large-scale clinical trial in Europe, investigated the effects of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and home-strength training on age-related health. Over 2,000 participants aged 70 and older were followed for 3 years. They were divided into 4 groups. The first group received omega-3s, vitamin D, and strength training. The second group received omega-3s and vitamin D. The third group received only vitamin D and exercise, while the fourth group received placebos and no exercise. Researchers monitored health parameters like blood pressure, cholesterol, and cognitive function. The goal was to see if this combination could slow aging and reduce age-related diseases. The results have significant implications for promoting healthy aging and improving quality of life. Epigenetic clocks, measuring the tick of time. To comprehend the impact of omega-3s on aging, it's crucial to understand the concept of epigenetic clocks. These biological clocks provide a measure of our biological age, which may differ from our chronological age. Unlike chronological age, which simply reflects the number of years we've lived, epigenetic age reflects the aging process at the cellular level. Epigenetic clocks analyze specific chemical modifications to our DNA, known as methylation patterns, which change over time and influence gene activity. By examining these patterns, scientists can estimate our biological age and gain insights into our overall health and potential longevity. Factors like lifestyle choices, diet, and environmental exposures can influence epigenetic age. The DO Health study utilized epigenetic clocks to assess the impact of omega-3s, vitamin D, and exercise on the aging process. By comparing the epigenetic age of participants in different intervention groups, researchers aim to determine whether these interventions could effectively slow down the ticking of our internal clocks. This innovative approach to studying aging has opened up new avenues for understanding the factors that influence our lifespan and developing targeted interventions to promote longevity. Omega-3 fatty acids and the fight against aging. Promising results. The results of the DO Health study revealed a compelling link between omega-3 fatty acid consumption and slower aging. Participants who received daily doses of omega-3s exhibited a slower rate of epigenetic aging compared to those who didn't receive the supplement. This suggests that omega-3s may have a protective effect against cellular aging, potentially extending lifespan and reducing the risk of age-related diseases. Furthermore, the study highlighted the synergistic effects of combining omega-3s with vitamin D and exercise. The group that received all 3 interventions showed the most significant slowing of epigenetic aging, suggesting that a holistic approach to healthy aging is most effective. This underscores the importance of not just focusing on individual nutrients but adopting a lifestyle that supports overall well-being. While more research is needed to fully elucidate the mechanisms by which omega-3s influence aging, These findings provide a promising avenue for future research and potential therapeutic interventions. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods or supplements along with adequate vitamin D levels and regular physical activity may hold the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life. Fueling your body. Food sources of omega-3s. Incorporating omega-3s into your diet is easier than you might think. These essential fatty acids are abundant in a variety of delicious foods. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are excellent sources of DHA and EPA. Plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are rich in ALA. Other sources include algae oil, and fortified foods like eggs and yogurt. Include a variety of these foods to reap the full benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.